Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OneDrive with Zapier for AI document tagging step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button usually located at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Trigger section, search for and select OneDrive. Choose a specific trigger event, such as New File in Folder. Click Continue to proceed. Now, connect your OneDrive account by clicking on Sign in to OneDrive. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter. After signing in, grant Zapier permission to access your OneDrive files. Once connected, specify the OneDrive folder you want Zapier to monitor for new files. Click Continue to move to the next step. Now test the OneDrive trigger to ensure it's working properly. If the test is successful, click Continue to proceed to the next step. For the Action section, search for and select OpenAI or your preferred AI service for document tagging. Choose the action event that corresponds to how you want to tag your documents. Click Continue and connect your AI service account. Provide the necessary credentials and permissions for the AI service. Once connected, set up the action by mapping the relevant data from OneDrive to the AI service. This may include specifying the tags or fields you wish to extract. Click Continue to review your setup. Before finalizing, you can run a test to check if the tagging is successful. If the test completes successfully, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your OneDrive is now connected with your AI service through Zapier for document tagging. You can monitor and edit your Zap anytime from your Zapier dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.